What's the meaning of adulteration? Adulteration. 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 Adulteration refers to the act of adding inferior or harmful substances to a product for the purpose of deception or economic gain. The result of adulteration can be detrimental to consumer health and safety. Adulterated food and beverages may contain toxic chemicals, unapproved dyes, or unsafe additives that can cause illnesses such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Adulteration also affects the quality and nutritional value of food products, leading to a decline in consumer confidence and trust in the food industry. Therefore, it is crucial to prevent and combat adulteration through strict regulations and enforcement measures.